In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar in Gmail. When you connect these two, Gmail can automatically turn emails about plans like flights, appointments, or bookings into calendar events, and you can also create an event from a single email in just a couple clicks. Start by opening your web browser and going to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you use for Gmail so everything stays in sync. Once Google Calendar is open, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings, then choose Settings from the drop-down. On the left side, under the General section, find Events from Gmail. This page controls whether Calendar picks up information from your inbox. Turn the integration on by checking the box that says, Show Events Automatically Created by Gmail in My Calendar. A small confirmation will appear. Click OK to confirm. From now on, when Gmail recognizes details like dates, times, locations, and confirmation numbers in supported emails, it will add them to your calendar automatically. You'll see them just like any other event, and you can edit or remove them at any time if something changes. Now let's look at creating an event directly from an individual email. Open your Gmail inbox and find an email that contains the details you want to schedule, maybe a meeting invite, a class schedule, or a reservation. Open that message, then look to the top right of the email and click the three vertical dots to open the More menu. Choose Create Event. This opens a new tab in Google Calendar with many of the fields already filled in based on the email, which saves time and reduces mistakes. Take a moment to review those details. Double-check the title, date, start and end times, and location. If the email included a video meeting link or a confirmation code, it may appear in the description field. You can also adjust the calendar you're saving to and add guests if needed. When everything looks right, click Save. The event is now added to your calendar and will sync across your devices. That's it. With automatic events from Gmail and the ability to create an event from any message, you'll spend less time copying details and more time staying organized. You can always adjust these settings later, but for now, you're all set.